Selena, Class 10, Chapter 10, Arithmetic Progression. Sum number 9. The numbers n minus 2, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 2 are in AP. Find the value of n and its next two terms. Since n minus 2, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 2 are in AP, 4n minus 1 minus n minus 2 equal to 5n plus 2 minus 4n minus 1. Open the bracket. 4n minus 1 minus n plus 2 equal to 5n plus 2 minus 4n plus 1. 4n minus n, 3n minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 5n minus 4n n. 2 plus 1, 3. 3n plus 1 equal to n plus 3. 2n equal to 2 implies n equal to 1. So the given numbers are minus 1, 3, 7. Implies a equal to minus 1, d equal to 4. The next two numbers are 7 plus 4, 11 and 11 plus 4, 15. Sum number 10. Determine the value of k for which k square plus 4, 4k plus 8, 2k square plus 3k plus 6 and 3k square plus 4k plus 4 are in AP. Since k square plus 4k plus 8, 2k square plus 3k plus 6 and 3k square plus 4k plus 4 are in AP, we have 2k square plus 3k plus 6 minus k square plus 4k plus 8 equal to 3k square plus 4k plus 4 minus 2k square plus 3k plus 6. Open the bracket. 2k square minus k square is k square. 3k minus 4k is minus k. 6 minus 8 minus 2 equal to 3k minus 2k square is 1k square. 4k minus 3k is plus k. 4 minus 6 minus 2. K square get cancelled. 2k equal to 0. K equal to 0. Sum number 11. If A, B, C are in AP, show that part 1, 4A, 4B and 4C are in AP. A, B, C are in AP. Therefore, B minus A equal to C minus B. Therefore, 2B equal to A plus C. Given terms are 4A, 4B and 4C. 4b minus 4a equal to 2, take 2 common into 2b minus 2a. Instead of 2b, we will write a plus c equal to 2 into a plus c minus 2a equal to 2 into c minus a. And 4c minus 4b equal to, take 2 common, 2c minus 2b. Instead of minus 2b, we will write 2b a plus c. So minus a minus c. 2 equal to c minus a. 4c minus 4b equal to 2 into c minus a. Since 4b minus 4a equal to 4c minus 4b, the given terms are in AP. Second part, A plus 4, B plus 4, C plus 4 are in AP. We have to prove. Since A, B, C are in AP, B minus A equal to C minus B. 2B equal to A plus C. The given terms are A plus 4, B plus 4, C plus 4. Means B plus 4 minus A plus 4 equal to B minus A. B is A plus C upon 2 minus A. Multiply and divide by 2 on both the side, numerator and denominator. 2A So a minus c minus 2a upon 2 equal to c minus a upon 2, and c plus 4 minus b plus 4 equal to c minus b equal to c minus a plus c upon 2. Multiply and divide by 2 here. 2c upon 2 equal to 2c minus a minus c upon 2. 2c minus c is c minus a upon 2. Hence, since b plus 4 minus a plus 4 equal to c plus 4 minus b plus 4, the given terms are in AP. Sum number 12. An AP consists of 57 terms, of which 7th term is 13th and the last term is 108. Find the 45th term of this AP. Number of term 57. 7th term is 30, means T of 7 is 13, implies A plus 6D equal to 13. Let that be equation 1. Last term is T of 57 is 108, means A plus 56D equal to 108. Let that be equation 2. Subtracting 1 from 2, we get 50D equal to 95. D equal to 95 upon 50 equal to 19 upon 10. Substituting the value D in 1, we get A plus 16 into 90 upon 10 equal to 13. A plus 57 upon 10 equal to 13. A equal to 13 minus 57 upon A plus 57 upon 5 equal to 13. A equal to 13 upon minus 57 upon 5. Multiply and divide by 5 here. 13 into 5, 65. 65 minus 57 upon 5 equal to 8 upon 5. A equal to 8 upon 5. General term Tn equal to A 8 upon 5 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 19 upon 10. We want 45th term. So T of 45 equal to 8 upon 5 plus 44 into 19 upon 10. Okay, equal to 8 upon 5 plus 418 upon 5 equal to 426 upon 5 equal to 85.2. T of 45 is 85.2. Sum number 13. Fourth term of an AP is equal to 3 times its first term, and seventh term exceeds twice the third term by 1. Find the first term and the common difference. General term of an AP Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Fourth term T of 4 equal to 3 times 3 into A. First term T of 4 is A plus 3D equal to 3A. This terms taken to the right. 3A minus A, 2A minus 3D equal to 0. Let that be equation 1. Seventh term, that is T of 7, exceeds twice the third term. So T of 7 minus 2 into T of 3 by 1 equal to 1. T of 7 is A plus 6D minus 2. T of 3 is A plus 2D equal to 1. Open the bracket. Minus 2A minus 4D. A plus 6D minus 2A minus 4D equal to 1. Minus A plus 2D equal to 1. Let that be equation 2. Multiply equation 2 by 2. We get minus 2A plus 4D equal to 2. Let that be equation 3. Adding equation 3 and 1, we get D equal to 2. Substitute the value of D in equation 2. We get minus A plus 2 into 2 equal to 1. Minus A plus 4 equal to 3. A equal to minus A plus 4 equal to 1. A equal to 3. Sum number 14. The sum of the second term and the seventh term of an AP is 30. The general term of an AP, A plus n minus 1 into D equal to Tn. Second term plus seventh term equal to 30. T of 2 equal to A plus D. T of 7 is plus A plus 6D equal to 30. 2A plus 7D equal to 30. Let that be equation 1. If its 15th term is, so T of 15 term is 1 less. So 1 minus T of 15 is 1 less than twice its 8th term. It means twice the 8th term minus T of 15 is 1. Substitute the value of T8 and 15. T15, T8 is A plus 7D. T15 is A plus 14D. Open the bracket. 2A plus 14D minus A minus 14D equal to 1. Plus 14 minus 14 get cancelled. 2A minus 1 minus A is A equal to 1. First term equal to 1. Substituting the value of A equal to in equation 1, we get 2 into 1 plus 7D equal to 30. 7D equal to 28. D equal to 4. The required AP is A plus D, 2 plus 2D, A plus 2D and so on. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9 and so on. Sum number 15. In an AP, if mth term is n and nth term is m, show that its rth term is m plus n minus r. For an AP, Tm equal to n implies A plus m minus 1 into D equal to n. Let that be equation 1. T of n equal to m implies A plus n minus 1 into D equal to m. Let that be equation 2. Subtracting 1 from 2 we get n minus 1 D minus m minus 1 D is equal to m minus n. Open the bracket. Nd minus D minus md plus D equal to m minus n. Plus D minus D get cancelled. Here D is common. N minus m equal to m minus n. Take minus common. Minus D m minus n equal to m minus n. D equal to minus 1. Substituting D equal to minus 1 in equation 1, we get A plus m minus 1 into minus 1 equal to n. A minus m plus 1 equal to n. A equal to m plus n minus 1. T of r equal to A plus r minus 1 into D. A is m plus n minus 1 plus r minus 1 into minus 1. Open the bracket. M plus n minus 1 minus r plus 1 equal to m plus n minus r. T of r equal to m plus n minus r. Sum number 16. Which term of the AP 3, 10, 17 and so on will be 84 more than its 13th term? Given AP is 3, 10, 17 and so on, where first term A equal to 3, common difference D equal to 7. T of 13 equal to A plus 12D. Substitute the value. 3 plus 12 into 7. 12 sevens are 84. 84 plus 3, 87. T of 13 equal to 87. Let the required term be nth term. Therefore, Tn minus T13 equal to 84. Tn is a plus n minus 1 d minus 87 equal to 84. Substitute the value of a and d. 3 plus n minus 1 into 7 equal to 171. N minus 1 into 7 equal to 171 minus 3, 168. Divide by 7 on both the sides. N minus 1 equal 24. N equal to 25. The required term is equals to 25th term.